Assalamu alaikum and welcome. In this video, we will talk about orders and how to create them and how to edit them if needed and how to connect more than one order. So first, to create an order, we'll go to the order tab, and right here, as you can see, these are all the previous orders that we have created, and we can search through them using these filters. For example, order ID, and just like that, we can see this is the order we searched for, and also we can filter through them using any of these filters, type of shipment, status, and also the dates. So now to create an order, we'll click on create order right here, and we will just follow this procedure right here, and by doing that we'll create an order. So let's start with the loading location. We can select any of the previous saved locations or search for them right here, and just by putting KH we can see all the names that are starting with KH, or we can create a new. Clicking on create a new, we'll just fill the name, the yard for example, and the source mobile, which is the number of the coordinator or the focal point. And to select the location, we'll click on this tab, and that's just basically Google Maps. So you can search for a location that's saved in Google Map, for example Dammam Port, and right there you can see we found Dammam Port. Or if your client sent you a location on WhatsApp, you can just paste it here in the search bar, and once you do, you click enter, the location has been selected, click on save location, and that's it. All the info needed is auto-filled. You just need to put down the city on the city tab here. We'll search for Dammam, and once you create a new location, this location will be saved and can be edited by going to your contacts under setting. So we'll click next, and the upload location is no different than the loading location, so we can create a new, but for this example we'll select one of the previous saved locations, which is Dammam Port, and as you can see all the info has been filled automatically. We'll click next, and now here's where we choose the product that we want to transport. So when we select the product, we can create a new, just like what we did in location. We'll just fill the info and it will be saved under products, or we can select one of the previous products we have saved. If we are transporting more than one product, we'll just click add, and boxes have moved down, and we'll select tables, and as you can see we'll click add. Here we have the two products that we want to transport. Now we'll click next. This is the shipping part. So here where we select the payment method, the type of shipment, and the trailer type or the tail type. So for payment method we can select cash on delivery, prepaid, or credit, and the type of shipment can be dry, cold, frozen, and the tail type we can select side curtain, Vienna, or low bid, but for this example we'll select the side curtain. And estimated pickup date and the delivery date you can choose right here through the calendar, but for this example we'll just keep it today, and we'll go next. And on this tab here, paid by, this is where you create an invoice for your client. So if you have Lean Finance integrated with Lean Dispatcher, you just need to select who the bill will be to. So is it the source, the destination, or the finance customer? So either source or destination or finance customer. So if we select destination, for example, if it's in an individual, we'll just click on individual, and you just need to fill the name. If it's a company, you click on company, and you need a name and the VAT number right here. The rest are optional. If it's one of your previous clients, you just click on finance customer, and you can choose one of your previous clients that you have invoiced before. So in this example we'll use destination and keep it as individual. Click next, and that's it. Right now we have created an order, and you can preview the order by clicking on preview, and you can see right here we have boxes and tables, and it's going from Dammam Yard to Dammam Port, and this is the date that has been created, the payment method, and all the information of the order. And right here you can see add charges. This is available for you if you want to put any extra charges than the delivery charges. For example, we will say these charges will be demerit charges, and it will be charged 100 riyal, tax is 15, and for the charge type, is it custom or late or cancellation? We'll keep it custom, and for example it will be 4 hours will be given for loading and offloading, and any hour after that will be calculated 100 riyal per hour. So we add this charge, and now we have demerit charges added to this order. We'll click next, and that's it. Now if you want to edit this order before it leaves, we click on edit, and we can change anything that we have added before, for example loading location or the product or the shipping. So now let's edit the shipping. We haven't selected the type, so we will do that right now. We'll choose side curtain, click next, and that's it. We have edited this order. Now, if we want to connect more than one order, we'll click connect order. So to connect this order with another order, let's say this truck is leaving this yard and will deliver this products to 2 different clients. So the loading location will stay the same, but the offloading location will be different. So the first location we have chosen is Dammam Port, but the second location we will create a new King Fahd Airport, and we will enter the destination number, and we can select from the map King Fahd International Airport, save the location, we'll choose the city. When we click next, we will choose the product that we want to deliver to King Fahd Airport. Next, this is the type of shipping, and just like what we did before, we'll choose all the information we want. Who is it paying for? Choose the destination, and it's an individual. We'll click next, and that's it. We have connected 2 orders to the same driver and the same truck. If we want to review the order, we'll click anywhere here in the order, and we can see the order profile with all the information here, and we can go down and we can see it's still under pending. So if we want to cancel this order, we'll click on cancel, and we'll just say in the description why we want to cancel it. Let's say cancellation from client, and we'll click save, and this order is cancelled by admin. And if we want to delete an order, we'll just click on delete, and we'll ask you, are you sure? Click OK, and that's it. We have deleted an order. Another way to create an order is by downloading the Excel sheet. Save it, we'll open the Excel, and in this way we can raise orders in bulk. So we can add any amount of orders we want. We will save it, and then we will upload the Excel file right here, and it will create all the orders for you. If we want to edit some of the tabs we saw in the create an order, we'll go to these 3 dots and we'll click on my account, customization. We will see custom order fields, and click on it, and we can customize it by going to order. And as you can see, for example, we want to add description in our order or weight, and we want the weight to be required. And if we want the description to be required, we'll click on this tab, and if it changes colors, that means it's required. And also in the shipping, we can edit the fields by clicking on this box, and that's it. It's been removed. And also if we want to add, we can add by clicking on the box, and after that we'll click on update information, and we'll go back to orders. We'll see what we did when we customized it. Create order, we'll go to product, and as you can see here, we've added the description, and the weight now is mandatory. And if we go to shipping, we will see we've added vehicle type, and that was not there before. And thank you for watching.